students, my today's topics PMI. I proceeding to this lesson for taking some problems. This topics belongs to 10+1 classes, chapter number 4. So PMI. Already we have to tells us we are taking 3 steps. Step first, step second, and step third. In step first we are taking n equal to 1, and in step seconds put let pk is true for x equal to n equal, or step third we are prove that pk plus 1 is true. So n equal to 1 and n equal to x here, k here, and n equal to k plus 1 here. So proceed to step first. Put n equal to 1 in left hand side we get 1, and in right hand sides that is 3 raised to power 1 minus 1 upon 2, that is 2 upon 2, also equal to 1. So P1 is true. Put let in step second let Pk 1 plus में 3 plus में 3 square up to 3k minus 1 equal to 3k minus 1 upon 2 is true. So we are taking n equal to k plus 1. So pk plus 1 plus में 3 plus में 3 squares up to 3k plus 1 and minus 1 here. Also write down 3k minus 1. When we cancel out 3k plus 1 minus 1 upon 2. So we are taking in brackets, put the value here, 3 raised to power k minus 1 upon 2 plus 3 raised to power k. Or look here, right hand side 3k plus 1 minus 1 upon 2. So we are taking 2 LCM, 3k minus 1 plus 2 into 3k. Also we are taking common 3k into 3 minus 1 upon 2. So 3k plus 1 minus 1 upon 2 equal to right hand side. So this statement is true. This statement is true for real value of n by PMI. So students, we are taking another problems. We are given some homework. So question number first, 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube up to n cube equal to n plus 1 upon 2 whole square. Question number second, 1 plus 1 plus 2 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 1 upon 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus n equal to 2n plus 1. Question number third, 1 into 2 into 3 plus 2 into 3 into 4 plus 3 into 4 into 5 up to n plus 1 n plus 2 equal to n plus 1 n plus 2 n plus 3 upon 4. And question number 4, 1 into 3 plus 2 into 3 square plus 3 into 3 cube plus n into 3 raised to n equal to 2n minus 1, 3 raised to n plus 1 plus 3 upon 4. So students, try these questions. If any problem, you contact me. Thanks a lot.